for Michael Addison will make their case tomorrow that he shouldn't have received the death penalty for killing Manchester police officer Michael Briggs. It's the final phase of Addison's appeal process before the state Supreme Court. Good evening, New Hampshire. I'm Tom Griffith.
And I'm Shelley Walcott. Defense attorneys are drawing their arguments from other death penalty cases around the country. WMUR's Stephanie Woods has our top story tonight. Steph?
Shelley, that's right. If Michael Addison's death sentence stands, he will be the first person executed in New Hampshire in more than 75 years. Tomorrow, Michael Addison's attorneys will have another chance to appeal his 2008 sentence, and advocates on both sides of the capital punishment issue will be watching closely.
When the jury came back to impose the death penalty, I was shocked.
Former prosecutor Barbara Keshen says that's how she reacted in 2008 when she heard Michael Addison was sentenced to death for killing Manchester police officer Michael Briggs. No one has been executed in New Hampshire since 1939, and advocates say it should stay that way.
None of us are infallible, and until there's an infallible system, I don't believe that the state should be in the business of putting to death one of its citizens.
Addison is the sole inmate on death row in New Hampshire, something his lawyers are trying to change. Now the state Supreme Court must decide whether Addison's death sentence is disproportionately harsh compared to verdicts in similar cases in other states. But this could be difficult, given New Hampshire's unique capital punishment law.
New Hampshire is unique in that it's the only state, well, except for Delaware, that requires a lesser mental state to be death penalty eligible when an officer is involved and killed in a crime.
But the president of the Association of Chiefs of Police, Richard Crate, says any officer-involved murder should be punished.
When there's an attack on a police officer, it's not just an attack on that individual. It's an attack on our freedoms.
If Addison's sentence is overturned,
I'd be very disappointed. I think it sends the wrong message to the criminal element out there, and I think it takes away from the job of a law enforcement officer.
Last April, New Hampshire almost outlawed the death penalty. Although the House passed the repeal bill, the Senate vote split and failed 12-12. Live in the studio, Stephanie Woods, WMUR News 9.
By the way, Stephanie, the last time New Hampshire executed an inmate was back in 1939, the year before. Howard Long from Alton was convicted of molesting and murdering a 10-year-old boy and sentenced to death.